Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn with Soft Scholar. In today's video, we are going to discuss a real job opportunity for a program coordinator role and more importantly, understand what this role actually involves and how you can build a career towards it. This role is based in Hyderabad and is ideal for candidates with around 2 to 5 years of experience. Along with the job explanation, I will also guide you on how a fresher can reach this role step by step. If you are someone who is interested in working in operations, HR coordination, or program management, this role is very relevant for you. The interesting part is this role is not limited to just one function. It combines multiple areas into a single role. That means you get exposure to different aspects of business, which is very valuable for long-term career growth. Job overview. Let's begin with the basic job details. This is a program coordinator role in Hyderabad. It is a permanent role and requires around 2 to 5 years of experience. This means the company is looking for someone who already has some understanding of coordination, operations, or similar roles and is ready to take on more opportunities. Role nature. Now let's understand the nature of this role. This is cross-functional role, which means you will not be working in isolation. Instead, you will be involved in HR coordination, operations, program execution, and team coordination. In simple terms, you are the person who ensures that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. HR coordination. One key part of this role is HR coordination. You will support recruitment activities, help with onboarding new employees, manage documentation and track attendance and performance inputs. So you are not doing full HR work, but you are supporting HR process and ensuring that the right people are available and managed properly. Interdepartment coordination. Another very important responsibility is interdepartment coordination. You will be working with multiple teams, academic, operations, sales, and marketing. Each of these teams has its own priorities, and your role is to ensure that all of them are aligned and working together smoothly. This requires strong communication and coordination skills. Program delivery management. Program delivery management is the execution part of this role. You will plan how programs will be delivered, schedule sessions, coordinate with trainers, and ensure that everything happens on time. You will also monitor quality, which means checking whether the program is meeting expectations and delivering value. Resource and schedule management. In addition to that, you will handle resource and schedule management. This means assigning trainers, managing classrooms or digital resources, and maintaining schedules. You will also need to handle unexpected situations like last minute changes or delays, which makes this role dynamic and challenging. Reporting and documentation. Another important aspect is reporting and documentation. You will track program performance, student engagement, and trainer effectiveness. You will also prepare reports and dashboards for management. This shows that the role involves both execution and analysis. Skills required. To perform well in this role, you need a combination of different skills. Core skills like communication, coordination, and problem solving are essential because you will be dealing with the multiple teams and situations. At the time, technical skills like Excel, CRM tools, and LMS portals are important for managing data and tracking performance. So, this role requires both people skills and technical understanding. Who can apply? Now, who is this role suitable for? This role is ideal for candidates with a background in business administration, HR, or operations. It is also suitable for professionals with 2 to 5 years of experience in coordination or operational roles. If you have worked in the education or edtech sector, that would be an added advantage. Fresher roadmap. Now let's talk about how a fresher can reach this role. First, you need to build a foundation by understanding HR process, operations, and improving your communication skill. Next, learn essential tools like Excel, and basic CRM systems because these are commonly used in such roles. Then start with entry level positions like HR executive, operations executive, or program assistant. As you gain experience, focus on coordination, scheduling, and reporting tasks. After gaining around 1 to 2 experience, you can move into a program coordinator role. So, this is a gradual process. You grow step by step. Apply link is provided in the comment box. Go ahead and apply if you meet the requirements. Thank you. Subscribe.